What's up, guys? Got a little something different coming to the channel. As y'all see, we are not in a derby yard. Got a 1985 GMC pickup truck. No, it's not the derby truck. Y'all might have seen this one. I might have flashed my license plate, whatever. Might have seen this one before. Sitting there, is now running. So we got a couple different ideas for it. Old school, heavy duty. Not much rust on it. Little cancer spots there. Few down there. Shit like that. Let's see. Curves like a kid. Quadro jet, 350. Oh, short. As you see, she sounds mint. So, turbo 3 or turbo 400 in this bitch. So she's pretty built for these trucks. She's 3/4 ton. Nothing really done to it at all besides that. Reverse is going out on this transmission. So we had an idea. Can I flip the screen? I can't. We had an idea. So, with this right here, we are going to turn into an LS. First, maybe, we have to grenade the 350 and a turbo 400 that's sitting in it. Videos will come to that one. It's gonna take a minute. Mainly because it's a daily right this second. And I need to get the parts saved up for it. But I have ELS. And different shit like that. I have some stuff saved up already, so it's not gonna be that much. But here over this winter, this is going to be our build series. That and a 2004 Chevy 1500 Silverado. So that 1995 Chevy Silverado, 3/4 ton. More likely to get all of our trucks running for this year. We have all trucks, but this one's gonna be a little something special. This one's mine. So if y'all want to drop some suggestions on what the fuck I should put in this next, go down in the comments. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Make sure you put your suggestions. You don't see trucks like this no more. It's the trucks, especially a GMC from the 80s, square body, in as good as condition as this is. Not gonna lie, you look down here, it's black frame still. There's no rust on this truck. No frame rust. Been a little beat up right down here, is bump. And that shock is a little, needs a little love. But as you guys see, it's still a straight frame truck with no rust on it. Like, there's a little scaly rust, that's about it on the frame. So, body's relatively straight, a few dings and dents. Straight here, all the way down. Fender well isn't rusted out. Like, I can put my thumb down here, look. And The price I paid for this truck, nobody will ever believe, is under. Well, I paid $1,100 for it with another engine. A little bit of surface rust right here. It also sat for a few years after I got it. Y'all seen it sitting in the stores a lot. Little bubble rust right there. Not much. So, make sure you hit the comments down below. Let me what y'all think we should do with this truck. It's not going to go derby, so don't suggest derby. I'll tell you, that's not going to happen. I didn't pay $1,100 for this truck for it to go to a derby. This is meant to launch our channel in one way or another. Have a little fun. Me and my crew this winter. So, if y'all are interested in seeing this one, seeing what we're going to do with this truck, more than likely, LS swap it. Unless some other people have some really crazy ideas. Might put something in it. I don't know. I've had some ideas, had a few people throw down ideas. Might go old school for a while. Got a 454 sitting around. Might want to throw that 450 no transmission behind it and go have some fun. But I know it's been a while since we posted, but we back. And we coming back at you guys strong this winter. So hope y'all having a great day. Hope y'all liking the new camera view, because we got a new camera, new phone. Makes this look a lot better in my mind. So much love, guys, and there'll be more to come here very soon. Hope y'all have a peaceful, positive day, guys. We'll catch y'all on the racing side.